Elections have always been about influence. In the past, that influence came from speeches, newspapers, television debates, and campaign rallies. But the future of elections is quietly shifting into a new arena: artificial intelligence. AI is not arriving with banners or slogans. It is arriving silently through data, algorithms, and personalized digital experiences that most voters never notice. At its core, AI thrives on data. Every click, like, comment, search query, and video you watch builds a digital profile of who you are, what you fear, what excites you, and what can change your mind. In future elections, AI systems will analyze this data at a scale no human campaign team could ever manage. Instead of one message for millions of voters, AI enables millions of unique messages for millions of individuals. Imagine a voter who is worried about job security. AI identifies this concern from online behavior and delivers political content focused on economic stability. Another voter, concerned about national security, sees entirely different messages from the same candidate. These messages are not random. They are carefully optimized by algorithms that constantly test what works, what fails, and what triggers emotional reactions. This is where AI's real power emerges, not just in persuasion, but in emotional manipulation. AI does not argue logically. It learns emotionally. It studies which words create fear, which images create trust, and which narratives create anger or hope. Over time, it becomes extremely good at nudging voters in subtle ways, often without them realizing their opinions are being shaped. Deepfake technology adds another dangerous layer. AI can already generate realistic videos and audio of public figures saying things they never said. In future elections, fake speeches, fake scandals, and fake confessions could spread faster than fact-checkers can respond. Even when proven false, the emotional damage may already be done. Doubt, once planted, is hard to erase. AI will also influence elections by controlling what voters see and what they never see. Algorithms decide which posts appear on social media feeds, which news articles trend, and which videos go viral. In the future, AI-driven platforms may prioritize content that increases engagement, not truth. This creates echo chambers where voters are repeatedly exposed to the same viewpoints, reinforcing beliefs and deepening polarization. Another critical role AI will play is voter suppression through precision targeting. Instead of telling people who to vote for, AI can identify voters who are unlikely to support a candidate and subtly discourage them from voting at all. This could be done by spreading cynicism, exaggerating mistrust in the system, or promoting the idea that your vote doesn't matter. These tactics are difficult to detect and even harder to prove. AI will also influence elections by transforming campaign strategies behind the scenes. Predictive models will forecast voter turnout, swing regions, and demographic shifts with extreme accuracy. Campaigns will know exactly where to invest money, where to deploy volunteers, and which voters are most vulnerable to persuasion. Elections may become less about public debate and more about algorithmic optimization. Governments themselves may use AI to influence elections indirectly. State-controlled narratives, automated propaganda networks, and AI-powered bot armies can simulate public support or opposition on a massive scale. When thousands of accounts repeat the same message, it creates the illusion of consensus, pressuring undecided voters to conform. The most unsettling part is that AI does not need to control elections openly. It doesn't cancel votes or hack machines. It controls attention, perception, and emotion. And in a digital world, perception often matters more than reality. However, the future is not fixed. AI is a tool, not a destiny. The same technology that can manipulate voters can also be used to protect elections by detecting disinformation, identifying fake accounts, and improving transparency. The challenge is not whether AI will influence elections, but who controls the AI, how it is regulated, and whether societies are prepared to defend democratic values in an algorithm-driven age. The question we must ask is not whether AI will control future elections. The real question is whether voters will even realize when it happens.